Hi, my name is Ed. I'm from Burton Waters Boat Sales in Lincoln. Today we're doing a quick video on this Merry Fisher 695 we have for sale. This is a 2023 boat, ex-demo, but still classed as new, so it'd still come with all her warranties from Jeanneau and also an engine warranty from Yamaha, which is 5 years. So we'll do the usual thing, quick video walkthrough for you, and we'll have a quick look. So this particular boat, a couple of things which make it unique. One of the things is we've completely wrapped the hull. So all the Merry Fishers generally we get from the factory are all white hulls, so we thought we'd do something a little bit different. So we've put a grey hull on this. Fred will probably inlay some photos of it on the water, and it really looks stunning. It just sets it apart really. Step on the boat now, and you've got really easy access. You've got big bathing platforms. Didn't come from the factory with any teak on the platforms, but we fitted this teak to the bathing platforms. So you've got a nice big bathing platform on the port side, a nice big one on the starboard side as well. So even if you're mooring sort of with a pontoon, you can walk straight on, or if it's side facing like this, you've got easy access. You've got the engine fully tilted up at the minute, but we'll go into that a little bit more later on in the video when we're at the helm. But let's have a look at the cockpit and we'll start from there. Right, we'll start off the video where we start off all the videos, which is in the cockpit area. So let's have a quick look around. So as standard, the Merry Fishers come with the back bench. This one's got a double upgrade. So you can go for the L-shape seating, which is on there. But this has also got the upgraded sun pad option, which is having the U-shape seating. So for that, you get an extra storage box here, so you can store bits and pieces. This is completely movable, by the way, so it's just a couple of bolts in and you can move it away completely when you're not using it if you want to free up a bit more space. But if you do want to use it, you've got the box there and you've got a cushion which goes on top of there. Now, the idea being with the U-shape is that you can drop this table down. So it fits in, it comes down to about this level, sits on a ledge here, and then you can put a couple of cushions on top of that and it creates a nice big sun pad area. This one's got the added benefit of having the full canopy set up. We've just done new photos today, so we've taken all the canopy surround off, but we've left the sun cap up. So if you want to put the surround on, you can, and then it's fully enclosed. If you've got kids, grandkids, you want to have maybe some additional sleeping area if you really want to use it, you can sort of convert that into a sun pad as well, and basically use it as a bed if you wish. So access onto the side deck is really easy, so it's just a step up and you've got a grab handle here. Underneath here is your gas bottle, so it just makes it a little bit safer that it's outside, and you've just got a lid here and you can put your gas bottle in there for your galley. Access up to the side deck, like I said, it's got a big sturdy handle here, and then you can walk up the starboard side. The decks are asymmetrical, so this is a little bit wider than the port side. It means it a little bit easier to walk down for a boat with this size really. This one's got the option of having the roof rack as well. So it's one of the options that was introduced when the Series 2 of the 695 came out. So that's got a couple of racks for a lot of people put paddle boards on and things like that. It's one of the good things about Merry Fisher ranges, because they're becoming a lot more versatile. You can fit more and more options to them, and that's something we can all do in house as well. So let's have a pop in and have a look at the accommodation, see what we've got going on in here. So we've got the carpet option in here. If you don't have that, you've just got wooden floors. I think it sort of breaks up nicely to have the carpet and makes it that little bit more luxurious. Over to the starboard side, you've got your luxury galley option. So this helm seat is movable. So let's just move it and tilt it out of the way. So you've got a single gas hob there. Got a sink. This is quite nice and heavy, so this sits down here and just gives you space to just work and do bits and pieces if you want to sort of prepare anything to use on your hob. Storage underneath here. It's got a few bits and pieces in there at the minute, like the bag of books, etc. But nice bit of storage area for bits and pieces. Over on the port side, we've got your seating arrangements. This is a dinette which is handily positioned directly opposite the galley. So you can sit up here and have meals, drinks, whatever you want to do really. Another feature of the Series 2 over the Series 1 is you've got a different window line. So the window comes a lot further down and lets a lot more natural light in. So it doesn't feel dark in here at all. It feels nice and light and airy. Even with, we've got the lights on, but you don't really need them, to be honest with you. We've got a lot of natural light coming in here. This can convert into a berth as well, so it just creates that additional versatility. So the idea being that you've got the table here, this drops slots into here, and then you've got a couple of cushions which sit on top, and it creates another berth. So you've got the sun pad if you really want it, you've got this, and then you've got your permanent berth forward, which we'll go to in a bit. You can fold this table as well, just makes it a little bit easier to get in and out. And then you've got your seat here. So this is something that's quite popular and common on Merry Fishers, is we've got a seat here, which is when you're not moving along, it faces backwards, but you can tilt it forward. So when you're moving along, you can face forward in the direction of travel. I will move this cushion slightly, just so it shows some extra storage, because underneath this area here, this is something again that was brought in when the Series 2 came out, is you've got additional storage actually underneath the seating area, so you can fit anything. At the minute there's just cushions and bits and pieces in there, but when you're not using it, you've got a piece of wooden floorboard which sits there, and then a cushion to go on top of that as well. And then while we're down here, this is your permanent berth, so you've got big cushions there. You've got another cushion there which sits in this gap here to make sort of triangle, really make most of the space. And then into your toilet area. You've got a single toilet and sink, and that goes directly into your holding tank. Okay, we're sat at the helm position now, so we'll just have a quick look through this. So she's got a Garmin chart plotter on at the minute. So you can see you've got your chart, so it's got a touch screen, you can zoom in and out. Over on this right hand side you've got all your engine diagnostics, so you can sort of touch screen again. So if we go to trip, for example, you can see she's just done a total hours of 1.8 hours. A little bit further down here, bow thruster control, and then all your major buttons. So you've got navigation and anchor lights, that just gives power to the helm. You've got water pump, bilge pump, windscreen wipers, things along those lines. No sort of key to speak of with the engine itself, so it's a single 150 horsepower Yamaha. It's all touch screen, so it's all touch and everything down here. So you've got a power button and a start stop, so as long as you've got the power on, the engine will fire right up. It's a nice quiet engine, particularly when you've got the doors shut, you won't really hear a lot. And nice if you're just pootling down a river, just nice and quiet as well. There's not a lot of vibration in here either, to be honest with you. So we can turn that off now. And then you've just got your throttle down here. So it's all electric throttle. It's nice and easy to use, and you can lift the engine up and down via that button there. So you can see the engine tilting up and down. It's up to the owner in particular whether you want to leave your engine down in the down position or tilt it up. The benefit of something like this is that you can just move the seat forward, and then you can tilt the engine all the way up if you wanted to, just so it stops it from fouling up. Hope you've enjoyed that quick video walkthrough of the Jeanneau Merry Fisher 695 we have for sale here in Lincoln. Available to view, as always, like most of our boats, 7 days a week. The link to the boat is in the description below, and be sure to look out for more videos to come.